I found some very important documents. Top secret. Well, hey everyone, it's Kelly. How are you? Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me on another crazy cleaning lockdown Adelaide adventure. So this is day 7 of my blog, but technically it's day 6 of Adelaide's lockdown, because when I started my blog at day 1, it was that it's not a lockdown. And then, but my son still went to school, but for me there was like no Zumba and I avoided the shops like a plague. So yeah, it was lockdown as far as I was concerned, and then officially started Wednesday. But anyway, I'm rambling. So as you know, we've done quite a lot of cleaning things, and then today I convinced my daughter that it was time to clean out some of her room, and we found a lot of things from however long ago. We decluttered a lot of stuff, a lot of clothing, a lot of toys. We've got all that bagged up ready to donation. We dumped so much in the corridor, you'll see me running around crazy picking it all up, and then we went back and cleaned some more and dumped it all back in the corridor, and then you'll see me running around and cleaning it up again. Yeah, we recorded a whole lot of stuff, but I'm not sure what will and won't make it in when I'm about to edit, because oh, that was so funny. And Kira doesn't want to be on camera for this, and she didn't really want me to show much of her room, which I totally respect. So there were just some snippets of things that we recorded for a laugh, because I'm laughing anyway. Yeah, so thank you so much for joining me. Enjoy this footage, and please like, comment and subscribe, because it helps the YouTube algorithm. It also means that you love watching the content that I give you and you can laugh along with me. So many people said that you enjoyed watching me as a full-on character trying to fix that washing machine, I tell you. And thank God I didn't pull it apart, because I'm not sure if I could have got it back together again. Because today all I've done is load after load after load of laundry, because some things we wash that we'll donate, and other stuff we wash to put back in the mix, and we've just had everyone's clothes going everywhere, and towels and other house stuff, and yep, so we kept just piling all in. We've still got a couple loads left, so we will get there eventually. Alright, so thank you so much. I look forward to chatting to you in the comments as always. Here we go. Thank you. That was a fun for the whole family.
Every time the magnet goes or you close it.
Okay, Kira's says I can share with you some top secret information. So secret, you can't even see anything.
It's not written in invisible ink either, it's just empty.
Empty. I'm not showing that on camera.
Oh my god.
Barbie and the Rockers. Woo!
It's been a bit dissected. I've always been very unconventional with stickers. What on earth? I've just put all these sections of the outside. I've decapitated Barbie. Oh my god.
Kira used to be in the Salvation Army kids thing, and she's just found this draw chart. So she'd like to know what she gets for 10,000 points. If anyone has any idea, please let me know. I told her I'd give her $1. A horse. Hosey. Apparently I need to show you this horse. A Hosey. And also, if anyone's interested in the stock exchange from 2009, hit me up, but unfortunately it stops at S, so if you're looking to trade past S, bang out of luck. And also the Messenger from 2014. I really feel like now if I get rid of this, this is where someone's going to do that. Does anyone have a copy of the newspaper from blah blah blah? Look, it's in the paper. Tim-O-Matic. Okay, so my daughter was quite the artist when she was younger, and I have full permission to share these with you guys. So she clearly loved a lot of stickers when she was younger, and she's quite impressed how she was able to draw around the stickers. And then we have this Barbie poster. Looks like she enjoys decapitating Barbies and cutting them in half. And then we have this picture which she's asked me to share you.
Though, I don't understand. It says Care Bears. Where in that?
And apparently, I think this is a picture of a Care Bear.
I don't understand.
How old were you?
I don't know. It's in a container with the same thing as other Barbie, like, and princess stuff, and it's pretty old. I mean, in the same container we found stuff from 2008, so I must have been younger than 8 because that container's accumulated some stuff.
So it's important to date all your artwork. And now Kira has questions, so make sure you ask your children what they're drawing and write it down, because then in like 15 years time when they go, what is this? You can pull out your book and say, this is what you told me about that picture. Well, there you go, guys. Completely crazy whirlwind day, but you know what? Yeah, it took way longer than we expected. I think because we just started giggling halfway through. finding all the things, the more and more deep we got, and we could easily spend another day in there just fiddling with things and just organizing like books and just little things. I organized a lot of her older teddy bears in the cupboards and bits and pieces, so I enjoy doing all of that, but she wouldn't let me show you that, so top secret. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!